A window is to be constructed in the shape of an equilateral triangle on top of a rectangle. If its perimeter is to be 600 cm, what is the maximum possible area of the window? First thing that we need to do is to draw the problem in order for us to be able to analyze it easier. In this sketch, we can let x be the width and y be the length. Since it is equilateral triangle, we can let all these three sides as x. Now we are given a perimeter of 600 cm. First, let us convert it into meters so that the value will not be too large. 600 cm is equal to 6 meter. The perimeter of this sketch is equal to 2y plus 3x. Since the value of the perimeter is given, we can write it as 6 equals to 2y plus 3x, the problem that is being asked in the area of the window. The area of the window will be equal to xy plus 1/2 xh. To get the value of y, we just need to convert 6 equals to 2y plus 3x, and the value of y will be 6 minus 3x over 2. Now, for us to get the value of h, we know that it is an equilateral triangle, so we can form a right triangle in this kind of triangle. Using the Pythagorean theorem, we can say that 1/2 x squared plus h squared is equal to x squared. Let's just simplify the equation. 1/2 x squared is equal to x squared over 4. Then we will going to transpose it to the other side for us to have a value for h. X squared minus x squared over 4 is equal to 3x squared all over 4. Then we will get the square root of both sides, and then the value of h will be x square root of 3 all over 2. Now we have value for y and h. Let us substitute it in the equation we formed for area. Area equals x times 6 minus 3x all over 2 plus 1/2 x times x square root of 3 all over 2. Then, it will be 3x minus 3x squared over 2 plus x squared square root of 3 over 4. Now, we will going to differentiate the whole equation. The derivative of this equation is 3 minus 6x all over 2 plus 2x square root of 3 all over 4. Now, we will going to equate it to 0. It will be 0 equals to 3 minus 3x plus x square root of 3 all over 2. We will going to transpose 3, so we will have negative 3 minus negative 3x plus x square root of 3 all over 2. We can factor out x, then it will be negative 3 is equals to negative 3 plus square root of 3 all over 2x. Negative 3 plus square root of 3 over 2 is equal to negative 2.13. Then we will going to divide both sides by negative 2.13. The value of x is 1.41. For us to have a value for y, we will just substitute the value of x on its substitute value. Y equals to 6 minus 3 times 1.41 all over 2. The value of y is 0.88. The same thing with h, we will just substitute the value of x on its substitute value. H is equal to 1.41 square root 3 all over 2. The value of h is 1.22. Since the maximum possible area of the window is what being asked, we will just going to replace all the values on the equation we formed to get its area. Area is equal to 1.41 times 0.88 plus 1/2 times 1.41 times 1.22 is equal to 1.24 plus 0.86. Area is equal to 2.1 meters squared. The maximum possible area of the window is 2.1 meters squared.